Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates.
Hey everyone, this is Anujwara here, and in today's video we are going to talk about why India is the best country for investing your money. For example, if you want to invest your money for 10, 15, 20 years where you are aiming for wealth creation, India is the best country to invest. And in this video we are going to talk about why India is the best. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before starting the video, let's talk about the numbers. So basically, India is a country of more than 1.3 billion people. It's a huge market. India's GDP is at currently $3 trillion and the GDP per capita is at $1,900, which is not pretty good, but slowly and steadily the GDP per capita is growing, so more people will spend money and more businesses will grow. Currently, if we talk about where Indians prefer to invest their money, unfortunately less than 3% prefer to invest in financial markets like stock market and mutual fund, and rest of the people, I should say majority of the people, prefer to invest in gold and real estate. So this was all about the number. So why should you consider investing? If you are, let's say, living in United States, and if you are not from India, then why you should consider investing? And if you are from India, then you are missing huge opportunities if you haven't started your investment journey yet. So watch this video till the end, you will get to learn a lot of things. The number one reason that you should consider investing in India is that India is a young country. Compared to China, the median average age of China is 38 years. When it comes to India, it is only 28. And so because of that, we can see there are more than 700 million people in India have the age of less than 35 years. So it's a young country with massive potential. And there are many benefits of having young population in the country. Young population tend to take risks, they can start more businesses, they can innovate, they are risk takers, they can spend money, because if you observe our behavior, as we get older we tend to spend less money. We do not have that much kind of desire to go outside, travel the world, spend money on vacation and all such things. We don't have that kind of desires. As we get older, we don't have that much hobbies to buy more properties, to invest more money. So as we get older, our risk taking ability goes down, our hobbies and all such things also decreases. So because of having young population, there are chances that consumption is massive, like 700 million people. You can see that if they consider spending more and more, how massive the economy can grow in the next decade. So as there are more youngsters, they would spend more money, the businesses will make more money, the businesses will invest money to grow. And this is why that you need to consider investing in India's economy. The second reason that you need to consider investing in Indian economy is that infrastructure development. Since the Modi government took place in India, it has been like the government has been spending a lot of money on infrastructure development. Infrastructure development is the key thing for economic success. For example, if the roads and transportation facilities are not good in any particular country, the businesses would not prefer to establish factories and set up all the kind of manufacturing units in that particular country, right? It's that simple. If there is a lot of time that the company has to spend for the transportation facilities, it makes no sense to do business in that particular country. But India has been focusing a lot more on infrastructure development, like power supplies have been growing rapidly. You will see that dams, you will see everywhere, you will see good roads. So because of these reasons, we can clearly say that infrastructure development in the country is really good. And also former US President John F. Kennedy once said that America is not rich because American roads are good, America is rich because American roads are good. So this is how infrastructure development is important for the country. The third reason that we should consider is startup culture. From 2010 to 2021, there are a lot of startups who have got a $1 billion of valuation, which means unicorn. So which is massive. It has like these companies like Ola, Paytm, PhonePe, Zomato, Swiggy, and all these companies have been like we have edtech startups like Byju's and Unacademy have been solving a very crucial problem of people's society. However, they are not. Most of them are not profitable. But soon they will become a profitable startups and they will generate massive amount of revenues. Another important thing is digitization. In India now everyone can have the access of internet. Due to the Reliance Jio revolution, the price of internet fell down by 90% in India, which is really good news for India. And that is why there are more than 700 million people are now connected with India, and it is expected to grow to 900 million by like 2 to 3 years. So as more people are now connected to the internet, they can now buy products online, they can now have connection with each other, and they would prefer to spend money using online, like they can spend money using the internet. So we can say that the unorganized sector of India is now shifting to organized sector, which is a great sign. Fifth point that I would like to talk about here is manufacturing. Now when we hear the word manufacturing, the first thing that come in our mind is that China is the hub of manufacturing, and we always see that you will always find products labeled as made in China. So you must be surprised by knowing that India is expected to become the next manufacturing hub. The companies like Samsung and Apple have started shifting their manufacturing units from China to India to reduce their dependence on China, and there are many other companies following the same path. So India is expected to become manufacturing hub in the next 5-10 years. And according to the reports from Global Manufacturing Index, India has overtaken USA and it's now just behind China as the best manufacturing hub in the world. Sixth reason that you need to consider investing in India is that big businesses. India has a big businesses group like Reliance Industries, Tata Group, Adani Group, and HDFC Group. Four are the massive groups. These groups have been investing billions of dollars in India, employing millions of people, and spending a lot of money on research and development, spending a lot of money on empowering people. If we talk about international companies, Samsung and Amazon have been investing billions of dollars in India to expand their business. And final thing that I would like to talk about is manpower. As India has a huge population of youngsters, that simply means that companies can easily find manpower. If the manpower is not educated, the companies can give training and manpower is good to go. You are good to go with establishing your factory and set up manufacturing unit. So it's that simple for foreign companies. In other countries, there are chances that the companies have to spend billions of dollars just for training because they are not that much educated. But India is a young country and youngsters have tendency to learn faster. That is why for any company, if the company wants to set up manufacturing unit, manufacturing facilities and all such things, it becomes easier to manage manpower. So this was the reason that you need to consider investing in India. The growth of India has just begun. If you invest in like mutual funds and stocks of India of top 30 and top 50 companies, you can expect that you will manage to create wealth just by stay invested for 10, 15, 20 years of investment period. The more you give time to your investment, the more wealth you create. And always believe in India, invest in India and stay invested for the long run. So if you need help regarding investing, if you need help regarding mutual fund investing, I would happy to help you. Feel free to check out the link in the description box below. Do hit the like button and I will see you in the next one.